Hey guys, Jimmy of Vegas here, and today we're playing an indie game made in Unity called Paranoihell. Paranoihell? Yeah, Paranoihell. I think that's how you pronounce it. Says it is a chaotic nightmare about a woman trying to get home. There is a lot of static on here, like the last one I played. Press Z or Z to start. Okay, so I think it's going for a certain type of game. We have a mouse. Oh. Relaxed. Confirm. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to have a go. Oh. Wasn't expecting that. 3 AM and everyone's 9-1. Is that meant to be gone or is it meant to be 9-1? That's weird. Z. Finally time to close. Try clean up that damn toilet. Sorry, what? Oh, well that's a bit weird. That is a bit weird. WAS doesn't move. It's the arrow keys. Oh, what was that? Clean. Okay. Well, this is certainly different. You can save your game in bathrooms. Okay. So, when it says save, I'm guessing there's quite a bit to this game then. Game saved. Now this is really interesting. It's the toilet in... what? This toilet is fine. It's the toilet in the out of order bathroom I need to clean up. Okay. What's this? Oh, clean. Very interesting. Very unique at this point, I think. Okay, so we can put our storage in there. Fair enough. I do kind of like the visuals of this. Is it weird, the fact I like the visual style? What's that? Oh, a collectible of some kind. I'm not sure what they are, if I'm honest. Not sure. Okay, so what I'm going to do is... Was there a door up top of here? I think there was, wasn't there? Yeah, there was. Staff key to get in. Okay. So I need to find a staff key somewhere. Let's go find it. Let's go find it. Let's clean up along the way as well. What's going on? Ah, there we go. Before I head out, I really need to clean it. Okay, so it's going to be somewhere in here, the staff key. So where have you put it, you silly woman? Oh, there it is. Hang on, that says examine. What is it? SA to cycle inventory. Okay, yeah, so that's why WASD isn't the standard movement. Alright. Not to worry. Let's keep going. That toilet is fine. It is this one we need the key for. There we go. Well, someone's written profanity there. Notice there's profanity on the other wall, in the other toilet as well. What's this? You can save... Oh, I already know that. You don't need to tell me that again. This toilet is... Nice. Yep, sure. Let's hold Z for a bit. And clean. Nearly there. Hey! There's a nice clean toilet. Let's save the game. Right, so let's head out then. We've done what we need to do. Oh, hello. You're a very curious character. We're closed. I've seen you walking down the street before. That's really creepy. Sorry for the noises. I like this. I quite like this. Okay, let's head home then. Can we run? Oh, we can run. Z. What's this? Oh, no. What's this say? Escape is pause. Okay. Alright, yep. Oh, no, I've got carried away and pressing WAS there. I really like the style of this. Oh, yes, I already found that. Holding shift. What does this say? Use item or attack. X. Okay, so sure. Let's carry on. Examine. Holes. Oh, okay, so it's holes in the ground. Fair enough. Oops, I didn't mean to press that again. So there's obviously a story to this, and as you guys know, I don't like to spoil some of these stories that come out in these games. No, this is good. I like the unique... Oh, more holes. I like the unique styles. Ah, okay. So see, we can look around and see what's ahead. What's that up there? Let's go have a look. What's going on up ahead? Police. Game saved. Oh, looks like someone's been brutally murdered. Don't know who it is. Well, I don't know who it is. Whoa! What the s... What? Get away from me! Oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Seriously, what the... Ah! Oh no, I'm not going to survive this, am I? I'm still running. Oof. I've got away? What on earth? Oh, I'm guessing the police think I am suspect number one for whatever reason. I think I need to avoid everyone and everything. Oh, hello. What on earth are you? Oops, wrong button. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit further and then probably play this on my own. Because I am... Oh, it's a torn up piece of newspaper. Oh dear. Because I am quite enjoying this, and I really think you guys should give this a go. Storage chest there. Nothing for me. Okay, let's carry on. Let's go through here. Not sure what them red things are. They're a bit weird. Oh! Okay, that's our weapon then. So we can hit things with it. Fair enough. Let's keep going. Let's see where we get to. Back through here. This way, I think. Maybe. I'm going to go this way. Oh yeah, them holes are appearing every... Oh. Oh. Oh! Okay, so back at the checkpoint, I'm assuming. It's frozen. Okay, I actually enjoyed that. It's frozen, but I'm actually going to carry on off camera, I think, because I really enjoyed that so far. That art style is really nice. It's really, really nice. I bet it looks awesome on an old CRT monitor. Okay, so that was Paranoihell. Or oh, hang on. I can still press buttons. Now that's confused me. I can still press buttons. Okay, well, it doesn't seem to be functioning. Anyway, I'll carry on later. Give a thumbs up if you liked it. Give a thumbs down if you didn't. But let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. Is this not really your sort of thing? Do you like different style of games? Like I said, link is in the description if you want to have a go yourself, and I would recommend having a go because it's weird. I like it. Yeah, that was Paranoihell. I've been Jimmy Vegas, and guys, thank you very much for watching.